IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever lost something important? Band 5 answer.
Yes, I lost my wallet once. It was very stressful and I didn't know what to do. I had my money and cards inside, so it was a big problem for me.
Why is this a band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas, short sentences, some hesitation implied. Lexical resource, simple vocabulary. Money, big problem. Grammar, mostly simple structures, limited range. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of band 5. Communicates meaning but lacks detail and variety. 7.5 answer.
Yes, I lost my wallet last year at a shopping mall. At first, I panicked because it had my ID, bank cards, and some cash. Luckily, someone found it and returned it to customer service, so I got it back the same day. It was a huge relief.
Why is this a band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Clear story with logical flow. Lexical resource. Natural phrases. Panicked. Huge relief. Luckily. Grammar. Mix of tenses. Complex sentences. Mostly accurate. Pronunciation. Clear with natural rhythm. Typical of band 7.5. Good control. Minor slips. Strong clarity. Band 9 answer.
Yes, about 2 years ago, I misplaced my passport while traveling. It was an incredibly stressful experience because without it, I couldn't continue my trip or return home. Fortunately, after retracing my steps and contacting hotel staff, I discovered it had been safely handed in at reception. That moment felt like escaping a disaster.
Why is this a band 9? Fluency and coherence. Fully developed narrative. Smooth cohesion. Lexical resource. Precise, idiomatic, misplaced, retracing my steps, escaping a disaster. Grammar, complex structures, flawless control. Pronunciation, natural, native-like delivery. Typical of band 9, effortless, sophisticated, expressive. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.